जननीं शारदां देवीं रामकृष्णं जगद्गुरुं पादपद्मे तयो श्रित्वा प्रणमामि मुहुर्मुहुः. I extend my sincere pranam to the most respected monks of Ramakrishna order present here, sannyasinis of Sharada Peeth, representatives of Ramakrishna Vivekananda Bhav Prachar Parishads coming from different parts of the country. I also extend my pranam to the chairman of this present session, Swami Shashankananda Ji Maharaj. Much of the discussions, the speeches we have listened since morning. This is in the commemoration of Swamiji's 150th birth celebration, anniversary celebration. Just in a few lines I'll tell something about that. The century-old Ramakrishna Math and Mission is an example of lasting institution lying building. The moth makes all the makers of a great institution. It has actualized Swamiji's vision of spreading of Vedantic message of one human family. It has also continued to perform its widening mission of not just spiritual uplift but also providing education and health care to the poor. The mission has upheld its core values and culture. It has attracted committed youth whom it trained and rotated and developed a pipeline of leaders over a century to manage this growing institution. Swami Vivekananda spread the great unifying and interfaith spiritual message of Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa at national level, and then his communication campaign extended to America and from there to the world. This 2-day session of Bhava Prachar Parishads of Holy Trio is a successful project of Ramakrishna Math and Mission since 1982. This Parishad acts as a connecting link between the revered monks and lay devotees with immense opportunity to spread the ideology of Holy Tridev. This Bhav Prachar is meant to spread the theme of Ramakrishna Bhava movement, which in its essence is to penetrate into the mass for their spiritual upliftment. The main of this program is to make this Ramakrishna philosophy first as an acquired character of all Indians and then an innate character of the whole nation. I feel delighted to present before you about our tiny center which is just 10 years old since its inception, named as Sri Ramakrishna Pathachakra of Bhagalpur. We extend our pranam to the Holy Trio. Something about our Pathachakra, how it initiated. One of our trustee Mrs. Shupani Mukherjee, inspired from Gold Park Institute of Culture. She used to visit often there, and from there she took this idea to start it in Bhagalpur. And 5 ladies on the Ravindra Jayanti Day in the year 2004 started in her residence about the Ram Nam Sankirtan on every Ekadashi Tithi. In our center, our chairperson, Mrs. Aparna Mukherjee's Aparna Mitra's family is quite acquainted with Swami Vivekananda Ji Maharaj, who at that time was Secretary of Ramakrishna Mission, TB Sanatorium, Tupudana Ranchi. Maharaj used to visit Bhagalpur several times, and in 2006, with his inspiration, this small institution at that time with 9 lady members was registered under Trust Act. The name Sri Ramakrishna Pathachakra was suggested by Swami Vivekananda Ji Maharaj. In January 2007, Swami Vivekananda Ji Maharaj once again visited Bhagalpur on the 144th birth anniversary program of Swami Vivekananda, and that was first program held in Bhagalpur by this small organization, Ramakrishna Pathachakra. Prior to that, this organization was within the courtyard only. In 2008, Swami Vivekananda Ji, that is Sundar Maharaj, was very much acquainted with our small activities, and by that time he was transferred to Durban Mission Center in South Africa, and from there he could arrange a grant of 90,000 rupees for the education of poor and deprived girl child of Bihar and Jharkhand. We used to, as our curriculum, we used to offer, perform the Holy Trios anniversary in the form of cultural program or some puja, and also we used to do a good Prabhat Feri for Swami Vivekananda's Jayanti. Used to work with the NGOs for flood victims. We have started in the year 2010 along with some of the poor and deprived sections of the students, girl students, by the inspiration of Shashankananda Ji Maharaj, that no, not by donating something, but try to make the persons eligible to do their own, should make them economically independent. And for that we started a sewing and tailoring program for initially with 7 students. In the next phase we started with 12 students, and that is an ongoing program of our organization. Later on we are doing some beautician training program, another income generating program, and we have offered coaching for that to widow and another economically downtrodden lady, and they are now working in the same parlor. We are sending participants to Ranchi for the regional level conference, the regional level sammelan for different competitive programs. Again in 2013 to attain the regional convention of youth at Ramakrishna Mission Vivekananda Society. 103 girls from the local girls college from all the religions. Every year we used to organize some programs for the students, just an essay or debate or speech or quiz competitions. The Vivekananda Rath Parikrama helped us to generate a fabulous amount of money. I am thankful the Bhav Prachar Parishad to conduct that program so successfully, which led us to do some more work in the coming years. Some of the functions, I shall go on giving the photographic details. Ma Sharda's Jayanti, the Vivekananda Rath at the entry point of the Bhagalpur district. Rath in Bhagalpur. This is the site where Swamiji, when he was during his wandering life, visited Bhagalpur at the bank of a river and prayed there, stayed there for 7 days. The Rath with Prabhat Feri, with all placards and all. Vivekananda Jayanti we used to celebrate by way of Prabhat Feri. Then again a new competition we have organized this year, just in the month of May, about how to recite Vivekananda's poems in Hindi, of course, from Vivek Lahari, the recitation competition. In Sri Ramakrishna Jayanti, we have started this year the Naranarayan Seva. Thank you. For time constraints, I wanted to talk something more. Sorry.